Hello, this is Charles Davis, the Marketing Maverick. Just giving you an update on the Ultimate Brand Design Challenge. Earlier this year, I announced that I was going to challenge myself to build a brand outside of America in a different genre. It's going well. Here, take a look at the intro for the God Principles. I hope you like that. The God Principles is a spiritual brand. It's based on recovery. It's based on spiritual practices such as Feng Shui, Buddhism, religion, a lot of different traditions, esoteric conditions that I have practiced and gotten results. This is what I need though. The channel, the God Principles, I'm trying to grow the subscription base. I'm asking that you help me and follow how I just developed this brand. It's going quite well. I have a lot of brand stories out there. I have stories from the Philippines. How you doing? My name is Charles. Introduce yourself.
Jeff Michaels. Originally New York and then Southern California, Los Angeles.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Mike. Tell us how you got here.
On a plane.
Sa plato. Sa plato? Sa plato. Ano ba? Kailangan plato. Okay na ba yung pangipisi mo? Tingko kami ako yung uli anak eh.
So Neil, you want to tell us what we're doing? And it's continuing to grow. As a brand strategist, especially a personal brand strategy coach, I feel that this is very important for those wishing to build their personal brand. So I'm going through the process in a separate way to demonstrate the various aspects of personal brand building and the coaching aspect. That's the part that I don't see being offered. What do you do when you run into some personality issues? What do you do when you run into some confidence issues? Like in my case, I was an introvert, but I had to work on and develop my skill set so that I can get in front of you on camera. How do you coach somebody through those obstacles when you encounter them going through their brand strategy? That's what a coach is for. Because it's not only the execution of the strategy, it's like how do you become the personality that you need to become a high producing exclusive personal brand. I want to thank you for watching. Comment any type of topics you think I should be covering, and hopefully I'll see you over on YouTube.